Azerbaijan, the land of fire, is a treasure trove of natural wonders and unique experiences. Among its many attractions, the mud volcanoes stand out as one of the most extraordinary sights. Home to nearly half of the world's mud volcanoes, Azerbaijan offers visitors a chance to witness these bubbling marvels up close. These natural phenomena, formed by subterranean gas eruptions, create an otherworldly landscape, captivating travelers from around the globe. But Azerbaijan isn't just about breathtaking scenery, it's about the warmth of its people, who welcome you with open arms. Just like the constant warmth of the mud volcanoes, the hearts of Azerbaijanis radiate a hospitality that leaves every traveler feeling at home. Azerbaijan, where the landscapes are fiery, and the people are even warmer,